a consultant surgeon at Stop Piles, and that's it.
How did you come to know about this treatment?
APS was introduced to me by one of my friend, Mr. Rajit. He had sent me the details of this therapy around a year back.
Okay.
And then later I met two of the American doctors who had come with this proposal.
What did you feel your first impressions on APS after
I went through the contents of the thing which was given to me by the doctors on mail. Theoretically it was very wise, but you see practically, unless it is demonstrated in individuals what is the effect of it, it is difficult to tell. But I started this therapy yesterday. There are some changes in my body. I had those mild unwanted pains in my feet. Yesterday night they disappeared. I think this is my second sitting. I hope to do much better than this.
Okay. Do you know what exactly this program is all about?
This program, I feel, basically is more about the metabolic activity of the body, which is lacking because diabetics don't have insulin supply through pancreas. And if the metabolism increases, there is a possibility that the blood sugar levels come down and helps the body to be more perfect than anything else.
And what do you think are the chances for this kind of treatment in India going forward?
India and basically Hyderabad are the basic hub of diabetes. There are so many diabetic people nowadays. Reasons well known to people: lack of exercise, watching more TV, eating all types of junk food which was never available 5 years before in Hyderabad. So everybody is more worried about eating pizzas and bakery items, which was very rare commodity. We used to only have bread. That was one of the most things which we used to eat. But with the advent of all this type of food and so many hotels coming up with Libyan food, this food, that food, the dietary changes in the human being in our country have changed. I think we have come to a stage where US was at one time where there were a lot of obese people. Now the scenario is changing. Because of that we have a lot of diabetes. The earning capacity of individuals have increased. They have a lot of stress. That is one more reason why diabetes has come to India per se. Maybe with the advent of things like this, we hope to improve our health.
You are a doctor treating piles.
Yeah.
What do you think would be the effect of such kind of modern treatments going forward in your domain, like the piles, treatment of piles or whatever? Do you see any connect here?
Comorbidities are always bad things like hypertension, diabetes, ischemic heart diseases, extra cholesterol. All these come in normal way of life, and the treatment becomes a difficult thing. But with the advent of decreasing comorbidities, the basic disease per se can be treated and handled in a better way.
Thank you.